If you want to disable automatic restrictions on your Xbox, follow these simple steps to regain full control over your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu of your Xbox and select the Settings option. This is where you can manage all system preferences and account settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Account. This section contains various options related to your Xbox account and privacy settings. Step 3. Select Family Settings. Within the Account Settings, look for Family Settings. This area allows you to manage restrictions and permissions for family members or accounts linked to your Xbox. Step 4. Manage Restrictions. Choose the account for which you want to disable restrictions. From there, you can adjust or turn off any automatic restrictions that are currently in place. Step 5. Save Changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the menu. This will apply the new settings and disable the automatic restrictions. By following these steps, you can easily disable automatic restrictions on your Xbox. Enjoy your gaming experience without limitations.